So in the workshop, because we mainly diesel, so we mainly do diagnostic and repair. I'm Devesh Mishra, CEO of Cornell Diesel Systems. We do work for retail customers, we do work for authorised OEM dealers, we do sublet work, we do insurance work. We engaged Levanta, who sold us our first two hoists in the workshop, and built a relationship with workshop equipment since 2003. As far as I know, I was probably one of their first customers, and then we moved on to growing that business, Western Diesel. In 2009, I bought Cornell Fuel Injection and Turbo Vic Pty Ltd, and we relocated to a new site in Normanby Avenue, Sunshine West, where we did a small fit out again with Levanta. In 2015, we decided that we were growing too big too quick and we needed a bigger site. We found a site and we wanted to improve on processes to get work done quicker, have the workshop being more efficient and the fuel injection repair done more efficiently. So we engaged Levanta, where they actually did the full 3D drawing and fit out and helped us with the process of work. Because having third party do the fit out as a building, Levanta did a lot of hard work to make everything run smoothly and rolled out the whole project. So it was really good. It is something that was designed and constructed by Levanta in 2016. It really works, and we'll be doing the same thing 3 times over. They were always there, anything we needed. The service was good, the after service was good, any issues was resolved in a timely manner, and we never got affected with business. Levanta's been on the journey with us all the way through, and the business has been growing year by year.